Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming archetype limits and priorities. This matters because every point scales badges and animations. First, open the attribute menu and pick the high-impact attribute that matches your role, then spend just 1 or 2 points to feel the change. Once done, play a quick drill or one-on-one to observe shot timing, speed, or finishing windows. That feedback tells you whether to continue investing or shift to a secondary stat. Now you scale up. Spread points to reach badge and threshold breakpoints because those discrete increases matter more than raw totals. Allocate towards secondary attributes that complement your primary skill. For example, boost speed or ball control to convert scoring chances into efficient plays. Make sure to check stamina and physical caps as you assign points, since a fatigued player performs worse. If a change doesn't feel right, reassign small batches until your on-court feel matches expected outcomes. Finish by locking the last points into the attributes that directly trigger your key badges, because that final step defines clutch performance. Then, test an actual game minutes across 2 modes to verify shooting, finishing, and defense. Make incremental 1 3-point tweaks where success rates dip. If things go wrong, animations feel off or thresholds missed, reset using the build slider or a reassign token to recover thresholds quickly. That troubleshooting keeps your only way build competitive and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.